All right, guys, it is the second day of February. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Trade Lab. My name is EP. Nice to have you guys in. Going to do a little recap and some live trading here for you. I've got a trade that actually has taken place overnight. Wow. And as I'm starting this recording, we got the S&P making a big spike up. We just took some money off of the S&P. Got a lot of things to look at, but only a little bit of time. So let's talk about the most obvious one, which is this one right here. This is a trade that established last night in the European session. So we have what we call prime times, and prime time to be traded in that session is between the hours of 2 to 5. Of course, you can trade outside before or after. Just recognize that that is the prime time, and you don't want to risk a little bit less or be more cautious if you're outside of the prime times to trade. So 2 to 5, you saw a box up on the screen. I'm going to put it back up. It's based off of those times. So if I go here to 2 o'clock and I go to the right to 5 o'clock, that's for the European session. What I'm doing is I'm putting the box in between these two levels. The level at the top, the green levels, that's the bull bear. So the one on the bottom is the bear. And the two yellow levels, these are support levels. The one at the very bottom is critical support. So I've got the box in between the bear and the first level of support. That is what we call a zone. So this area in between the green and the yellow is what we refer to as bear zone 1. Bear zone 2 is down here. And anything below that red line down there, well, that's the basement. That's bear zone 3. Ideally, want to sell high. So when we're up here high in the zone, we want to be looking for a short. And my indication is when we turn colors from yellow to purple, and we also are crossing over a channel. So purple channels are breaks to sell. Blue channels are breaks to buy. We want to break and sell in the bear, and we also want to buy in the bull. So sometimes in the bear, it's pretty easy. Only one way to go. That's to sell. And ideally, want to wait till we get in that box, but I didn't want to be ideal today. I wanted to get in early in fear that it might not actually come back up and take off without me. Well, I put this trade on and went to bed. This is a set it and forget it trade. And I had an OCO, order cancels order. So I had my stop up here above the bull level. And I had my target down here at the critical support that you can see that we're getting closer to getting to that first target. Now, this is a 2 lot. This is not part of the 5K21 basket. 5K21 basket, which stands for 5,000 in 2021. We started that December 1st. So here in the Trade Lab, when I put trades on for the U.S. session, it's always going to be the markets that consist of the stocks and gold. We do the micros. But this one, this is a different basket, different account. And I thought, well, you know what? Why not talk about it since it was an ideal trade to talk about with regards to the box trade template that you can see that's up here with channels and levels. Well, it did pull back, but it didn't stop me out. Thank goodness. And look where it's at now. Got almost $1,200 in open trade equity on 2 lots. And this is a trade that is only almost 8 hours old. And I'm about to take one off if and when it gets down to the bottom. And I will let the last one turn into a swing trade and let it trade the rest of the week. And the reason for that is because if you take a look at the daily is showing a picture that is very, very exciting. Daily bar here and that lower channel, you're looking for a breakout opportunity, looking for a new trend. We had that start way back over here on the 12th day of January. Turn back yellow, neutralizing, and look what it's been doing since midnight. It's been showing signs of weakness, the euro, and now it's breaking down again. So I'm taking advantage of that, hoping that we're going to see this continue to go all the way back down, maybe even matching where that breakout was way back at the end of the year. So that's the euro. We're up $1,200 open trade equity. And then we've got some day trades that we've done here today. And speaking of day trades, it's the S&P. S&P started opening up here at 9:30 in the morning. There's 9:30, and look at that. Right out of the gate, I had what I call a qualification outside the upper band. This is a turbo scalp template. Got the same core RQ levels going, and that white dashed line is the low of the day. The white dashed line up high, that's the high of the day, and out of the gate, 3 minutes in, we started breaking a new high. As we speak, we're going after potentially another new high, 38.15. So bought this, took it up, and was satisfied taking the money off the table once I started seeing some of these red dots populate. Those are signs of retracement, and it did, in fact, come back down. Didn't want to give up what I had, and made some nice little profits out of it. So as far as day trades here in the U.S. session, just underneath $100 of profit, and for the trade overnight, you guys can see the math up on the screen. And that is a recap of what we have done here inside of the trading room. If you want to learn more, go over to thetradingroom.com. Easy to be a member here, easy to be in this trading room and trade right along with me. Get trading course information and fantastic indicators that are very unique to help you trade like some of the institutional investors, not like the Robins, but like the institutional guys. Put the odds in your favor and trade with some logic. I'll teach you how to do it. There's some basic core stuff we do here, looking at sentiment, looking at trend, looking at leaders and laggards, following the trends that we call the RQ Tech. And obviously location is everything, where the market is in the zone. And then we need a little bit of volume and some reporting, which, by the way, we're going to see here in about 6 minutes. So it could actually help this euro get up and over, or should I say down and over, the goal line. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's a wrap. Reach out to us at support@riosquant.com for more information. Have a good day.